What if I told you that your child could still qualify for substantial college aid, even with a six-figure annual income? At EDFIN College Planning, we've already helped thousands of parents nationwide achieve this legally, saving them tens of thousands in college costs per child. Hi, I'm Shelly Rufin, CEO of EDFIN College Planning and a 33-year certified FAFSA Pro college consultant. Our college aid framework has assisted over thousands of high-income parents, making $100,000+ yearly in reducing college expenses and increasing scholarships, all without hiring costly advisors. To date, we've helped families save over $105 million in college costs. Contrary to popular belief, high-income parents can still secure significant financial aid for their children. Just as you can legally lower your taxable income to pay less taxes, you can legally reduce your expected family contribution, EFC, and Student Aid Index, SAI, when submitting income information to FAFSA. Unfortunately, most parents make costly mistakes in this process, inflating their EFC SAI and disqualifying their children from aid. With our expert guidance, you can potentially cut your EFC SAI in half or more. Here's how we've helped U.S. parents save millions. Ms. Farah, one client legally reduced their EFC SAI from $94,000 to full ride for both daughters at UC Berkeley, lowering their annual college costs from over $70,000 to $25,000, $30,000, saving them $300K in 3 years. Kishonik family, a parent's first child, received $130K for UC Irvine to pursue a 4-year degree after our assistance. Now she's applying for law school with our help. Don't let high income hold you back from substantial college savings. Click the link to learn more about our college aid framework, helping you reduce college costs by $20,000+ to up to $98K yearly. Want to know more? Click on the link for College Aid Workshop.